I did overburn a lot, and when I overburn, I know I shared this at Seed, I just did nothing for a whole day and I felt really useless, and that's where Seeds really helped me. Hi, my name is Juliette Louie. I am from Toronto and I was a part of Seed's 2016 of December. A lot of people always come from all over and just travel just to take this program. So I'm just like, I gotta get to know this. Like, why is it so good? Why are people spending a whole weekend just coming here and learning? After coming out of Seeds, I felt like actually I'm already worth it, because a lot of times I just forget about the things that I've accomplished. That lesson, I took it and brought it to Hong Kong, and when I did the pageant, so with all the media backlash, and no matter what people were telling me or criticizing me, I knew that I was still worth it. Because I was so strong-minded, knowing that I was worth it, that I can make it to Western Hollywood. Because they did, like, a lot of the times people were telling me, you can't do it, the biggest you'll ever get is here in Hong Kong. So by then I was like, you know, and standing up for myself and telling them, you know, I know you're just saying this to get your job done, to sign me, but I have my self-worth and I believe that I can do it without you guys. Much lighter as a person, and I feel that I'm worthy, and that's something that I didn't know I was struggling with, but now I do. So thank you, and take it.